Hi, I'm Paulus from blancotinta.com, Great Small Wines, and I'm here to present you our Wine Club Selection Adventure Pack for March. We're traveling to the Canary Islands today, and here we have three different white wines coming from different islands. So let's start with the first one. It's Tisalaya. It's coming from Lanzarote Island. It is a small production made with Diego grape variety, 2018 vintage. It is grown in volcanic soil, so it's like tiny black rock soil. Some wines are up to 100-year-old. It's a very peculiar wine, very citrusy, floral, fresh on the nose. But when you taste it, it also has the same aromas, but then a little bit more of minerality, the saltiness that is very typical to good Canarian wines. This is just a spectacular white wine. You should try it with different kind of seafood dishes, maybe also grilled fish, for instance. Now, coming up next, this is Llanos Negros project from La Palma Island, the tiny island, and this is La Batista. La Batista is actually the name of the plot where malvasía, aromatica or aromatic malvasía is grown. This is again 2018 vintage, the same vintage, also volcanic soils. But this is, as the grape variety indicates, it is an exuberant wine, aromatic nose, plenty of different sweet kind of aromas like honey, different very ripe fruit, also herbal notes. It's pretty fresh on the nose as well. But when you drink it, when you're tasting that, it's still with a lot of acidity. Also, you got this kind of salty mineral note. Again, a lot of ripe fruit, tropical fruit on the palate. A delicious wine. It should go really well with different kind of Asian food recipes. And finally, we got another wine from Llanos Negros winery, and it's called Singularis. It is a singular project, only made once in a lifetime in 2016. 450 bottles were made by the winemaker. It's a spectacular wine. It is made out of two local grape varieties, Gual and Sabro. It is a late harvest wine, but it's a dry wine, so it's a pretty loaded with alcohol, but when you drink it, you do not realize the alcohol level that it has. In the glass, you will see that it's almost like orange wine color, like very light amber color. On the nose, it's also explosion of different kind of very ripe tropical fruits, a lot of yellow fruits, also honey notes because the grapes were late harvested grapes. Also soft spicy notes. On the palate, it's almost like full-bodied wine with great acidity, lovely acidity, also balanced with lots of tropical fruit notes in there. Again, the typical note of the salty minerality, it's just a pure delight for the senses. This should go really well with mushroom risotto. So this is our selection for this month. Dare to try different Canary wines with local grape varieties, different winemaking. Hope you enjoy them. Cheers!